Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with GoDaddy, complete guide step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with GoDaddy, first, visit the GoDaddy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and navigate to the affiliate program section. Review the program details to understand how it works. Sign up for the affiliate program by filling out the application form. Wait for approval from GoDaddy, which usually happens quickly. Once approved, access your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Generate your unique affiliate links for GoDaddy products. Choose which products or services you want to promote. Integrate these links into your website or social media channels. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of GoDaddy products. Utilize SEO strategies to improve the visibility of your content. Promote your affiliate links through blogs, videos, or social media posts. Monitor your traffic and conversions through the affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on what works best for your audience. Stay updated on GoDaddy promotions and tools that can boost your earnings. Network with other affiliates to share tips and strategies. Continue to refine your marketing efforts for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.